true coastal habitats in the state are the cypress swamp and the mangroves. And a lot of our inhabitants there, let's take a look. We do have the white ibis and our local pink bird, the roseate spoonbill. A lot of people mistakenly think that flamingos are our native pink bird, but here in the Tampa Bay region, they don't live. We do have the roseate spoonbills. So there's the ibis and the spoonbill. And what is a cypress? You see that one of the depictions is a cypress swamp. The cypress is the only needle-bearing tree that loses these needles, so it's called the bald cypress. It has knees which aerate the soil, and it is a wetland species. Of course, the mangrove, our estuary, our coastal estuary species, there's the simulated knees of the cypress right there. They stick up from the water aerating. They have these buttressed trunks. And these aren't real cypress here, they're just models of them, so you don't see the needle-like trees. But this is a simulated cypress swamp. Walking over this way, we will walk into the simulated mangrove forest, and you can see there are the prop roots of the red mangrove. We do have three types of mangroves in the Bay Area: the white mangrove, the black mangrove, and the red mangrove. The red mangrove is famously called walking trees. Walking trees because these prop roots inspired natives to believe they could walk. Now, looking through, here's some estuary fish. We have the hardhead catfish swimming around. I believe there's some snook and some drum in here. Let's take a look. So this is the mangrove swamp. There's the mighty redfish back there. There's some, oh, there he is, the mighty redfish. They get pretty big, the redfish do. They're members of the drum family because they can vocalize. Let's see if we can get down here and actually see the redfish. There they are. The redfish or red drums. There's the hardhead catfish trailing behind. So you can see how these mangrove tangles are perfect habitat for small fish to hide in, and then large fish patrolling. Looking back here, you can see there's a green heron back there. There's the green heron. And there's the black mangrove's roots. Oh, look at that. There's an oyster catcher. The black mangrove roots aerate the soil as well. So those dead man's fingers, or pneumatophores, are the roots of the black mangrove. And then this is flushed every day with salt water. Oh, there's a sheep's head. Sheep's head swimming around. So we'll get over to the rest of the fish here. We do have sheep's head. I do see some snook in the background. There's some snook. Big redfish. So we do have quite a beautiful simulation of one of our major coastal ecosystems here in Florida, the mangrove swamp.